Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn for consulting clients with clarity on positioning, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Review your profile picture and background photo to ensure they convey professionalism. Update your headline to clearly reflect your consulting expertise. Include specific keywords related to your niche in your headline. Scroll down to the About section. Craft a clear and concise summary that highlights your experience and value proposition. Mention the key problems you solve for clients in your summary. Include measurable achievements to demonstrate your impact. Move on to the Experience section. Update your job titles to align with the consulting services you offer. Be specific about your roles and responsibilities in previous positions. Add any consulting projects you've undertaken, even if they're freelance. Now, look at your Skills section. Remove any outdated or irrelevant skills. Add skills that are specifically relevant to your target clients. Seek endorsements for your key skills from colleagues or past clients. Next, focus on your Recommendations section. Request recommendations from clients you've successfully worked with. Make sure these recommendations highlight the transformation you facilitated. Include projects or testimonials that illustrate your expertise. Scroll down to your connections. Connect with industry leaders, potential clients, and peers in your field. Engage with their content by liking, commenting, or sharing. This helps raise your visibility and establishes your credibility. Join relevant LinkedIn groups that are focused on your consulting niche. Participate in discussions to showcase your knowledge and networking skills. Create and share valuable content related to your consulting services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.